Hey.
Hello.
Sharp.
Sharp njani wena?
Sharp now. Igama lami ngisive no. Mfethu. Safika mana bemaphuzi so angazi bantu, you know. So I'd love to have a friend enjengawe so, you know. So just hope you don't mind exchanging numbers.
Ndizokunika yami nami.
Ngicela mfethu it's like ikhona engapha engizoyithetha but other than just to know you better.
Kaloku andifuni ngeyami nami. Ngoba ngithanda ukunika.
Ngiyangava mfethu.
Nkosi.
Yo yazi uthi mhle kanje mfethu mara uzoniphoxa kanje tu. It's so beautiful though. So, people are telling lies because I'm free. And I will do anything for you, for that matter. Can you trust me in doing that? I'm glad that we can. You're the only person that matters in my life right now. So I just wish ngingakazinaki ngizidanga abantu. Ndacela, can you please avoid those things? But at the same time, never way. Thank you.
Bongo. Njani?
Okay, and then?
I'm fine.
Okay. I'll be talking even it's in the right.
Ayongo washo.
Gosh, I know it's been years. Not knowing bang but at the same time, I've been transforming some feelings for you. And when I'm not away, I'll run back. You know? So basically, I would say it didn't make fun definitely, no? So basically I will be lying if on such a boy I never loved you. That I understand. But I never had the courage to tell you what is evangelism now, you know. I know you might have some questions about how do you fall in love with a friend? But at Berlin, you won't get any consequences at the end of the day. You crying on my shoulders, even in my chest, resulted or built something that led me to fall in love with you. So I got Obi, but I'd love to have a chance. But never turn. If that's not a problem with you, I know it's a shock, I know, but give me a chance.